Hi guys, it's Ilene. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a project share and it's this little Halloween haunted house. So I'm going to share how I did that, but if you guys want to look at that gorgeous paper, super cute, from the spooky Halloween paper pad that I hauled from Joann's, and it's double-sided, so the paper's not white on the inside. So that's what I did today, and I'll share with you how I did all that. Okay, I'll get even the little bats and my little friend up on the top too. Okay, and there you go. And the back is just plain. So, yep, that's what I'm gonna share. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I used the Spooky Halloween paper pad that I got from Joann's, and as you can see, well, let me get to that page. Here we go. So I used this page and I downloaded a free pattern. I just Googled free pattern on Google, whatever. Just type it in, free haunted house pattern, paper pattern. And I printed it out, cut it out, placed it on my paper, traced it, cut. So I cut the main part of the house out of the orange foil bones, crossbones. And then the pattern came with a roof and a door. And that I used, let me find that. I didn't really pull out papers, I just cut what I wanted out of the paper pad and then used it. There you go. So I used this pattern for my roof, and I just placed the pattern this way so the stripes were going across. As you can see right here, this is one piece, one whole piece. And you just take it, trace it, cut it, fold it in half. Okay, so this roof actually was too long for what I wanted, and I just used my my decorative scissors to cut. You see that? There you go. You see that angle right there? I just used my scissors while it was folded in half, and then I just cut. And I think everybody has this bundle of scissors. I think I bought it from Michael's. I don't know. Don't quote me. But you can get them everywhere. I think even Walmart has those scissors. So, and that's what I used for that. And so on the striped paper, the bones paper, the back side had the Halloween words, right? So I cut a few of the words out, and I used it for my banner up on the top. And this one says, "Give me something good to eat." Can you see that? I hope you guys can see that. But anyway, that's what it is. You can see the words. I still have some of the words cut out right here. And there's several Halloween sayings. So Halloween night, give me something good to eat, trick or treat, and boo. And some of them I cut, and some of them I just ripped the edges, so I give it that little bit of a spooky look. So I'll be using several of those for other projects, but you see I still have some scraps here, and I will use it. So the other paper that I used was from the smaller stack, the Spooky Halloween, the 6x6 matte stack. And what I cut out from this pack was a few of the ghosts, so I just cut the corner. You can see that I just cut a piece of the paper out, and I have 1, 2, 3 little ghosts on my house. Okay, and then I also cut out a piece of the purple for my banner. So the purple background right here, I just ripped the edges again like I did with the words. There's that little ghost from the paper. And the last one was the white bats. And that one's right here. So again, I just cut a corner off, just a piece of that paper, and I selected, you know, the size bats that I wanted, and I just fussy cut them. I fussy cut the bats and the ghosts, and then I placed it around my house, my little house. And the last one, so for the door, I took the paper and I placed it over the sheet so that I could get exactly what I wanted on my door. And once again, I just picked a spot. So here you can see the opposite side of the orange was the foiled paper, and I just took, where's my pattern? I took my pattern because I was looking for the pumpkins on the paper, and I just took my pattern and laid it on there so that the pumpkin was on my door, on the front of my door. So that's my door right there. And that was it, guys. The windows on the pattern were meant to be cut out, so you were supposed to cut them out. And this one right here, and this window. So it's the sides of the house. I didn't cut it all the way out. I just left them like little window doors, other doors or shutters. So it was one less thing for me to pattern or cover up. So that was my windows, and I just left it like that. And what was perfect about that, these window sizes, they're easy for me to stick the light into my little haunted house. See? And I could put it in the middle of my string of lights. So if I'm just very careful, taking it through the house, just feeding it through the window, I could just run my lights through there to the part of the strand that I want. And there you go, just like that. And my house is lit. And you can't really tell because this light is so bright, but you can see. There you go. The light is lit. There you go. So I'm going to use this on one of my shelves in my home. And come Halloween, I'll have my little decoration well lit. And you know, like I said, it's a free pattern. Let me turn this light back on. It's a free pattern. You could get any pattern on Google. Just search it, print it out, cut them out, and you're set. Now, if you had those fancy cutting machines, it would be a whole lot easier and one less step you would have to do. That would be it. Cut it out and then just glue it. For my glue, I used the Dollar Tree Elmer's glue. It came in like a pack of 4 or 3, pack of 3. And I stocked up on this, and it was so easy, super quick, and it dries fast. So there you go. I hope y'all make it and share it with me online. So I'm going to make a few more maybe with different pattern paper and set up my little paper village in my kitchen somewhere. And have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks guys. Bye.